folks, I have a really cool tenor to show you today. This is going to be a stock instrument that I bring to music camp, and if it makes it through music camp, I'll have it for sale. This is an experiment to try out a new kind of wood. I got a plank of wood from Chris from the D Mill, and it's from the Japanese gardens in Portland, and this is Zelkova, or Japanese elm. And I think I understand why they call it Japanese elm. It really feels and looks similar to that grain structure, but it's a little more reddish, and it's a little more shimmery and a little lighter. But I really like it. It's cool for back and sides, and then I used it for fretboard and head plate as well. So I have like 5 or 6 ukes worth of this stuff. I figure I'd give it a whirl, and it turned out nice. It looks really beautiful, really unique. So I wouldn't import this wood normally, but getting one scrap from an ornamental tree local to me, I feel fine using it. And I think it looks nice with my homemade rope binding. And then just a plain old Western red cedar top. It's hard to go wrong with one of these. They always sound so good. And the rope looks nice. The neck is a little 5-piece neck of maple and mahogany. And I've got a low G on it. Yeah, it's really nice. We've talked about it before, like when it comes to back and sides wood, almost everything works. It's hard to complain about anything that I've tried for back and sides, but some woods just seem to really be the right mix of good sound reflectors but not too heavy, like dense but not too dense, hard but not too hard for an ukulele, and I think this Japanese elm is doing it. Cheers.